In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Jira Kanban board efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or just someone who's navigating Jira for the first time, knowing how to locate your Kanban board is crucial for keeping your projects on track. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to start by going to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your personal dashboard where you can find all the tasks and projects associated with your user account. It's like the command center for your work life on Jira, a hub where all pertinent details are neatly arranged. When you're navigating Jira, finding your way back to your work can always be a safe place to regroup and orient yourself. Once you're on the Your Work page, you'll want to cast your eyes over to the left side of the screen. There, you'll notice a sidebar filled with various options. The one you're interested in is simply titled Projects. Clicking here will take you deeper into the structure of Jira's project management capabilities. This is essentially the doorway into all the organizational project data you have access to, which is pivotal when managing multiple threads of work or if you're part of multiple teams. After you've clicked on Projects, look for an option labeled View All Projects. This button is essentially your gateway to seeing all the projects you're involved in, providing a comprehensive overview. Clicking here will lead you to a list of all the projects associated with your account in Jira. Think of it as the master list. It contains everything you've ever worked on, currently working on, or have been given viewing access to. Now, once you're in the View All Projects section, you might find yourself faced with a potentially overwhelming number of projects, depending on your organization's size and your level of involvement. But don't worry, Jira has built-in tools to help filter through and find exactly what you're looking for. This next step is where things get exciting for us Kanban board users. The list of projects might be extensive, so to save time, we can use a handy feature in Jira, the search bar. You'll see this prominently displayed at the top of the project listings. It's your best friend when it comes to honing in on a specific board. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Kanban. This is key because Jira uses Kanban boards to help visualize and manage the workflow of projects effectively, and typing this will assist in narrowing down your results to show only the Kanban boards you have access to. Typing Kanban in the search bar does an incredible job at sifting through all active and archived projects, filtering out only those results that are associated with a Kanban board setup. Once you've entered Kanban and hit enter or click search, Jira will bring up a refined list. These are your Kanban boards. This search method is not only quick but also highly efficient, eliminating unnecessary scrolling or hunting through unrelated projects. And there you have it, your Kanban board should now be visible on the screen, easily accessible for you to start using. It's always good to remember that once you locate your specific Kanban board, bookmarking the URL can save you a generous amount of time in the future. The next time you need to get there, you'll be able to access it with just a click. Remember, finding your way around Jira might seem daunting at first, especially in large organizations with many boards and projects. However, with these straightforward steps, you now have the tools to confidently navigate to your Kanban board anytime you need. So, as you get more accustomed to using Jira, spend a little time exploring other features and views. You might just stumble upon tools or settings that could further streamline your project management tasks. Knowing the layout of your project management software can make a world of difference in your day-to-day productivity. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you should feel more equipped to navigate Jira and locate your Kanban boards without any trouble. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other queries or need further guidance, feel free to explore more videos or resources designed to enhance your Jira experience. Until next time, happy project managing.